Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kyle and I'm the founder of Opinicus Holdings. We are the #1 options trading education provider. Wanted to quickly talk about trading ranges and how useful they can be. Personally, one of my favorite trading setups. Now, the great thing about trading ranges, we're going to be looking at a specific example here on Activision Blizzard, ticker symbol ATVI. Now, the great thing about trading ranges is it presents a defined area for low risk entries. As you know, or maybe you don't, but this is a trader's best friend. Entries that are low risk, high odds trades, if you will. Trader's best friend, of course. Now, we've been watching and scalping this Atvi ATVI chart in the trader's think tank for some time now while I was trading in this range that you can kind of see highlighted here. We'll make it a little bit more clear in a moment, but between 47.5 and 46. The particular range was great because it almost always moved. If we take a look here at the 4-hour chart, zoom out just a little bit here, it almost always moved the entire length of the range between the 46 and the 47.5 level, as you can see here on this candlestick chart. Another thing to consider as we look at this trading range is, as with most things in technical analysis and trading in general, nothing is really going to be perfectly exact. So we see this range, and what we've got here, let me do a better job of highlighting it. Right about here, this was the extent of the range itself, and we traded this a number of times. Not so much in this early stage here before it had this nice trend outward, but all through here for this 2 or 3 week period, it was a great setup to take advantage of. And basically the best way to take advantage of a trading range is to short near the top of the range, so in this zone right here, and then to go long, otherwise known as buying calls at the bottom of the range. And the way I would personally do this is I would be, depending on what day of the week it was, I would be looking at the same week expiration or the following week expiration, with the idea that I would be in this trade only for the period of a day or perhaps into the next day. Now, when price action respects two levels like this, 46 and 47.5 in this particular case on ATVI, is known as range bound price action, aka trading within the range. When it comes outside of the trading range, it is then known as trending. So when ATVI popped up out of this 47.5, we then had another opportunity to go long and take advantage of the trend higher. Now, even though there's only $1.50 move higher on this particular pop, again, with the leverage of options, we are able to take advantage of a much larger gain, upwards of 30, 40, 50, even higher percentage ROI on our particular options contract. So I just wanted to show you the power of trading ranges. If you can identify these types of setups in your charts and in the stocks that you like to trade, you're again going to have opportunities for high odds trades, low risk entry points. And so basically what makes this low risk is if you were to get short here just shy of 47.5, well, you have a very firm stop loss area in mind, being at 47.5. So if you were short at this level, then if price action went ahead and popped above 47.5, you can kind of assume, okay, you know what, I'm likely wrong on this trade, on this pattern, on this idea that I'm following. I'm going to go ahead and take my stop. Now, if you had entered anywhere on this trading range in the middle of the range, say around 46.7, kind of in this area, that's going to be a low odds entry. Price action can easily go either direction. So you want to take advantage of these trading ranges when they're either at the support area or the resistance area. Then you can again play within the range or the breakout of the range. If you guys have any questions on trading ranges, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below if you're watching this on YouTube. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.